What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 350 V2 Sesame. Now this shoe is set to release on November 23rd for a price tag of $220. Now this is the second newest Yeezy 350 V2 colorway that's dropped in 2018. The first one was the Butters, and that released the summertime of this year. This shoe was set to release, I believe, in the beginning of fall, but they pushed it back due to production issues, if I'm not mistaken. I believe it was between the Sesames here, and there was going to be a peanut butter colorway, which was, I believe, was like a darker brown, but they scrapped the peanut butter and they decided to stick with the Sesames. To me, this shoe is absolutely fire. I did make some posts over on my Instagram account, which is right here, Roscoe, ROSZKO_72. So go check that out if you want. And a lot of you guys hit me up about the colorway. So let's talk about that. Some of you guys hit me up and ask me if it's tan, is it gray? It looks gray from the photo. To me, I think this is more of like a milky tan. But I can definitely see where you're coming from if you see gray. Because sometimes when I look at it, depending on the lighting, I do see gray on the sneaker. So I think it's always going to be depending on your eyes. It's kind of like that meme with that dress, like that black dress, is it black or is it blue? And it had like the whole Twitter scene in uproar. I feel like this is the same way as well. So it's just a typical 350 V2 as far as like the design is concerned. It does feature Supply 350, but this is a blank canvas, so the Supply 350 is blended in the sneaker, but it's still there. You could definitely, if you look up closer, it's still there. I think this is like, I'm looking at this and I'm like, this shoe is fire. This shoe is absolutely fire. Now, it does, I think one of the major highlights for the sneaker is definitely going to be the gum bottoms on this shoe, especially on the toe, man. The hint of the gum on the toe, and then also you get the stripe on the back. Now, this is the second time they put a gum bottom on a V2. The first one was the Frozen Yellows, and those are set to restock December 14th. I'm definitely copping those. So this is the second time they put gum bottoms on the V2. It works very well with the Sesame colorway. To me, this shoe is definitely going to be one of the most wearable 350 V2s by far, just because of the colorway. I think this is going to go with a lot of your fits. So if my recommendation, I think this should be a cop for you. If you're looking for a nice 350, an everyday type of 350, this is definitely it. For me, this is going to be an everyday, wearable sneaker. Just far as like, even just like the comfort on a 350 V2, you can't beat it. It's one of the most comfortable sneakers on the market. So the full length boost, it's just super comfortable. Sizing, if you guys want to talk about sizing on these, I always go a half size up, because it fits snug because of the prime knit upper. But you guys know your feet better than I do, so if you can try these on in the store, I recommend doing that. Now, let's talk about stock numbers real quick. Stock numbers on these, I've heard, is roughly right around 150,000 pairs, it's not limited. It's not limited, and it's not, it's not GR. So my prediction, I think these will sell out online, but I believe stores will have them in store for a lot longer than what we're used to seeing. So if you want a pair, I believe you're going to be able to get a pair, but you're going to have to still put in the effort to get a pair. If you sleep in, and if you wait like 2 days, these will sell out. Resale, let's talk about resale value on these real quick. I don't think there's going to be a lot of resale value on this pair, even though it's a new colorway, because I think a lot of people are just kind of over the whole 350 V2 line. They're more into the the 700s or the 500s. So I think for as far as like resale value, you're looking at probably like $30 to $50 over resale, which is not a lot, or at least not what we're used to seeing. So that's up to you. For me, I think this should be a personal pair only. I'll make that prediction right now. This should be just for personal pair. And to me, it's definitely a personal pair, and it's definitely like I said, this is definitely an everyday pair for me, just because of the colorway. The colorway is so fire. But guys, I'm gonna throw this on foot real quick, and also I just want to mention real quick where I got this. I did pick these up early from my boy Soul for Less. I'll plug him right here. So if you're interested in picking up anything early, and they're 100% legit, please DM this guy right here. So guys, like I said, I'm gonna throw these on foot, give you guys a better look at the sneaker, If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Hayes told me come back with a better intro.